Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on your location, depending on where you are watching me from. Please, if you're just sitting for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. I just woke up this morning and discovered that BN Trust website has finally gone down. BN Trust website has finally gone down entirely. So, as of yesterday, trading was still going on. Everything was still working normal except withdrawals. But this morning when I woke up, I tried to access my account to see if I can be able to withdraw my fund, only to discover that the site is no more accessible. They have shut down entirely. So please, if anybody is introducing any platform to you, please, that is why we say always do research by yourself and always invest what you can afford to lose, because all these online stuffs is just few that is legit. Few is legit. So many have gone down within the range of last month and this month. Many websites have gone down. So fraudsters used to build websites to just scam people. Just to scam people, they will promise you higher rate, and they cannot be able to return it. They will be using your people's money to pay other people. So any platform that is higher than 2% return, that platform, I don't think that platform is genuine. That is why I call most of them hit and run. Once you see any platform that is higher than 2% income or 2% daily return, what you have to do there is to just, if you want to, I'm not advising you to, but if you want to invest there, just invest maybe little and be taking your profit immediately every day. Once it gets to requirement, or even every minute, you just take your requirement and your income immediately. So COTP is gone. COTP is gone. We have been waiting for BN Trust. I'm sorry. BN Trust is gone. It's gone. Since we have been waiting for COTPS to come back. COTP, this is the 5th week. The 5th week. And they are still transferring money, moving money from different wallet to the other. I don't know when they are going to come back, but they said 3 to 5 weeks. And we have voted, this is the 5th week. And COTP is yet to return. Now, some people who invested on BN Trust, some still has their money there and BN Trust shut down. I don't know, please, if you're an investor, please do always research. Even if you watch video that is posted, please always do research and always invest what you can afford to lose. What you can recover within 1 week of investment. Once you invest, start taking profit immediately. Don't say let me get big money first, because you don't know their mind. So please, I'm begging. So that as you can see now, let me open the BN Trust website. If I open it now, as you can see, it's no more loading. It's no more loading. The site is offline. It's not loading. It's no more loading. Even if I off the network and on it back, it's no more loading. As you can see. But if I enter another website, it will load up. It's telling me offline. Offline. So that is it. But if I load maybe this particular, as you can see, this one is loading. This one is loading very well. So it means that they have gone down entirely. They have gone down. They have gone down. Thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting. God bless you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.